Hey girls, welcome back. People think brown girls can't glow without filters. That's a lie. Because real glow doesn't come from a product, it comes from confidence and care. Brown Girl Glow Up isn't about changing yourself, it's about enhancing what you already have. Today, I'm giving you glow up tips no one talks about, not basic skincare, not makeup tricks, but rare brown girl remedies that actually work. No long stories, no drama, just pure glow up power for my melanin queens. Mix raw honey with turmeric. Apply 10 minutes before shower. This combo brightens dull skin without bleaching, it balances undertones naturally. Add 1 drop of almond oil to your moisturizer at night. It repairs dull brown skin overnight and adds a golden undertone glow, no filter needed. Rub ice cubes made from rice water plus honey and aloe vera gel. It tightens pores, fades marks, and gives that smooth, glassy brown glow instantly. No glow up is complete without healthy, bouncy hair. Because dull hair can kill even the best outfit. Let's fix that, the rare brown girl way. Mix castor oil plus aloe vera gel plus fenugreek, methi, water in equal parts. Apply from roots to ends, massaging your scalp in circular motions for at least 10 minutes. This combo is insane. Castor oil boosts thickness, aloe vera cools the scalp and stops dandruff, and fenugreek water fills your strands with natural protein. Together, they restart your hair growth cycle. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours, cover with a hot towel, then rinse with a mild shampoo. Do this twice a week, and within a month, your hair feels fuller, smoother, and 10x shinier. The gloss and volume rinse. After shampooing, use a black tea plus rice water rinse as your last step. Black tea stops hair fall by strengthening the roots, while rice water adds amino acids that coat every strand, giving that soft, reflective shine. Leave it on for 5 minutes and don't rinse it off with plain water, just towel dry. It gives that salon-level bounce naturally. No silicone, no chemicals, just pure shine. Dab Vaseline mixed with a pinch of cinnamon powder on lips for natural tint. Under eye trick, apply cold green tea bags, reduces puffiness and brightens under eye naturally. Inner glow up. The outer glow fades if your inside isn't balanced. Drink coconut water plus lemon every morning, hydrates from within. Eat chia seeds with honey daily for clear skin. Glow up isn't only what's on your face, it's how you walk, talk, and think. Dress in earth tones that complement melanin, browns, golds, and deep reds. Use vanilla or amber perfumes, they suit brown undertones best. Bellavita Vanillux smells sweet, soft, and elegant. It suits people with brown undertones and gives a classy vibe. If you buy this perfume, check my description because product link is in my description box. Keep posture straight, eye contact strong, that's the real glow. This is your sign to stop hating your shade. Your glow up doesn't need to look like anyone else's. Brown skin doesn't need to be lightened, it needs to be celebrated. If this helped you glow mentally and physically, hit that like, subscribe, and comment brown girl energy below. Because from now on, you're not insecure, you're that girl.